What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Back again with another Bitcoin video on the 4-hour time frame. I haven't changed the chart since yesterday. Basically this is the path that if Bitcoin is bullish and stays above this key green support which I mentioned yesterday, then this is the path Bitcoin should take as long as it can break above these resistances and hold them as support. So again guys, remember I said that we need to hold this green box. This is the 050 because Bitcoin was retracing to this high over here, this wick over here, this 44.4k wick. You can see that if we put it to the swing low down here, we were coming up, we got above the level which we actually shouldn't have gotten above. Over here, as I said in yesterday's update, we've come down impulsively. We are correcting up to the 0618 right here before continuation, losing these lows and heading much lower. However, when you break above the 0618 and you can close above it, you've now basically invalidated further downside at that moment, as long as you can stay above it as support, because that basically means you create a reversal wave retracing back to this high point. So once you broke above this red line over here, you're retracing to this high point, and you can see Bitcoin pumped exactly to that high point right there. And then the thing is, when we got to this location, you kept on struggling to close above it. As we were saying yesterday, we formed this double top, and when you lost this neckline, I gave you a technical target to the downside. I gave you this target, I said that this is a bear flag, and I gave you this target down here. I can show you guys now on a different Bitcoin chart. Let's get that out. Oops, sorry guys, just finding the, yeah, here we go. So I gave you this target, it almost met, and then we eventually met it with that wick. And then I said once you lose this wick, we're coming to the 1618 and potentially even to this red level, because there was this wick here and this wick over here, and this is the level that we wanted to hold as support. But you can see that we'd just failed to hold this level of support. You did in the short term, you smacked your head on resistance at 40,500, and then you basically lost the support. And this is very negative, guys, of course. But what is positive is the bounce from the location we said that Bitcoin has to bounce from, because this 0618 and this 050 is an area called the golden pocket. This is the zone that if Bitcoin wants to now continue back up to the one level, 44.4k, then it must hold this green box. And you can see at the moment, or since last night, it has held it. I'm now going to get rid of all these lines that I've drawn, but you can see once we get above this 44.5k, that is when I can get confident in saying that we are going to have a little pump, potentially even to that 1618 at 53k. But we do have to remember though, at the 1.272, which is lining up with the 050 as confluence, this is going to be a key resistance ahead, and actually we might just top out here, lose this support here, the red line, and then continue rolling over. That is a big case for Bitcoin, because this is actually called a dead cat bounce. Like right now, yes, if we don't hold this, we're going to continue down, minimal back down to these lows. Technically you could hold up to here, get above it, but basically if you do lose this low, you're going to come to here and here, and if that's lost, then obviously the 1618 at 27k is your target. But if you've been watching the videos, I've been saying how I just don't believe that that target will be met, because of the strong support much above it at around 30k. So that would probably be my worst case, 30k, a wick down to there and reclaiming 33, and once that's held a support, then we will actually start heading up, and that would be an amazing buy signal for sure. But if we don't get that and we hold this support, we can still get that dead cat bounce scenario we've been anticipating, where if you fail to get above either the 050 or the 0618, you can even have a fake out where you get above it. But then if you close back below this red box and confirm it as resistance here, that's when we start obviously falling into the abyss. But yeah guys, this 47 to 52k area, this has to be a very key level that we have to watch out for going forward. But we will be trading this in the Discord group chat for sure when we've got some stability and yeah, some certainty with and confirmations of what's going on. So you could see with that, you'd be creating that double bottom we've been talking about for quite a while. We said that this was going to be potential inverse head and shoulders, but we were always saying on the channel at the same time, we're ready for this to also be a double bottom. And I was explaining, I don't know if everyone watches the Bitcoin videos, every Bitcoin video, but make sure you do. And if you've missed something that I've said, then go ahead and watch the video twice. That's the best thing, because you definitely won't pick up everything that I'm saying. the first time round. So basically this is your neckline here. If you can cut, and the level that we'll just use is this red line where this wick is, because we're retracing to that high. So if we can close above 44.4k, then we will basically validate this pattern. A week ago or 2 weeks ago now, or some days ago, I was talking about this basically even before this inverse head and shoulders played out. I said that we're going to come up, we're going to form this right shoulder. It can come down all the way to here, this right shoulder like this. Oh, sorry. Like this. But obviously if you come down more, it can be a double bottom basically, and potentially that's what could be happening now, as long as we can hold key levels of support. As long as we can basically hold above 33k, we can still form this double bottom. And this double bottom, as I explained, could be with a higher low just like this. It can be with an equal low, so it could come all the way down to 33k, or we could even get a scare where we come down below it, get back above, and then head higher. And that could be the case where we do come down to the 1.272, confirm the 33k as support, and then head up. And you can see that'll be a very large double bottom over there. But of course, the one that we're seeing right now, if this support can hold, if we can retrace back to 44.4k high, this will be a bottom here. And then we head up, confirm this as support, and that's our green light going forward. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. It's all about this area that it's in right now. But if you remember from yesterday's update, the top of the green box has now flipped into resistance, and that's why we've got that massive red line over there. So we need to really watch out for about 39.5.6k going forward for Bitcoin. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and of course subscribe. We're trying to get the channel to 2k subs by the end of this month. And yeah, comment what you think is going to happen next with Bitcoin. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.